Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Civic engine air filter. First, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black box on the passenger side. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket, depending on your Civic model. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this simple maintenance task. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns while working in the engine bay. Now let's get that old filter out. Depending on your Honda Civic, you'll either unclip the metal clamps around the housing or unscrew a few screws. Gently lift the cover off and set it aside. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Carefully remove it, noting its orientation. Take a moment to check the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated. A quick wipe with a clean cloth can help. With the housing clean, it's time for your new air filter. Make sure you have the correct filter for your Honda Civic model. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and correctly. The rubber gasket around the filter should create a good seal. Once it's in place, reattach the housing cover, securing all clips or screws. Double-check that everything is tight to prevent air leaks. Replacing your engine air filter is a simple task with big benefits. A clean filter allows your engine to breathe better, improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. It also helps protect your engine from harmful contaminants. Most manufacturers recommend replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year. This quick DIY can save you money and keep your Civic running smoothly. Also, for other great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.